In this video I will show you how you can connect Namecheap domain to Replit AI. So now this is really easy. You just have to follow my steps and then you will learn how you can do it. Firstly, I will open my apps and you just want to choose your app which you want to add domain to. So let's say I will choose this currency converter. And firstly, what you need to do, you need to publish your app. So you want to click on publish in top right corner. And you will publish your app, and then you should see status that it's published and also public. And now we can add our custom domain by going to domains section over here. And this is your default domain from Replit. And to add your Namecheap domain, we want to click on connect your own domain. Here where it says example.com, you want to paste your Namecheap domain. So I will open Namecheap and you want to go to your dashboard. And from here, domain list. And you want to choose your domain which you want to copy. So I have only this one. So I'm gonna copy domain. I'm gonna paste it here. Then click next. And now we just need to configure our DNS records in Namecheap. So we have to add those two records from Replit. So the first one is A, that's the type. A, this is name, and this is the value. So I'm gonna copy firstly the value of the first record, and in the Namecheap you want to choose manage next to your domain which you are connecting, then advanced DNS. And here if you have existing a txt or some record, and here if you have existing a record, you want to remove it or txt, or you can also remove those records. And then we can add new records. So I will click on add new record. So the first one is A, host is this symbol, and the value is value we copied. Then click on save all changes. So the first record is added. Now we can click on add new record again. And the second one is txt, that's the type, name is same, and this is the value. So you can copy this value. And you want to find txt record. In the host, I'm gonna type this symbol and paste the value, then click save all changes. And now once we have those two records added, we can move again to Replit and we can click on link. And now it's going to verify your DNS records. So you can already see that it's registered with Namecheap. So it found our domain provider, and this can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. But in the most cases, I think it's going to take like within an hour. So if you want to monitor it, you can click on this manage icon. And from here, you can see that first step is DNS records checks. So firstly, it's going to check those records if you added them. Then it's going to do a routing update. And the last one is SSL certificate. So your site is going to be secured. And if you see this issue that it's showing you that DNS records does not match, it can mean that it's still not checked. And in my case, it took around 17 minutes to fully propagate. And after that, you should see this green dot, which says verified. And now we can try our site. So I'm gonna open it in new window. And it is working, so we can try it. Let's say I'm gonna type this amount. I'm gonna convert it in euros and it's working. So this is how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Replit AI. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.